Hello everyone, this is 8bitDav back with another video for you guys. Today we're going to be looking at the Lighthouse Chrome plugin, using it to run an audit on a specific website and seeing what information we can uncover about that website in regards to things like performance, usability, accessibility, and maybe making some live fire changes within the Chrome development tools to see how we can maybe rectify some of those issues. So let's just go through a use case from start to bottom. So first you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store and go back here real quick. Type Lighthouse in the search bar in the Chrome Web Store, and then you'll find this Lighthouse plugin here. Here's going to be an Add to Chrome button rather than a Remove to Chrome button. Once this finishes processing, it's going to be up here in your menu toolbar. So once you have found the website you'd like to go ahead and run an audit on, go ahead and navigate to the website, click on the Lighthouse button, and then generate that report. What that report's going to look like is something like this, where these numbers represent the total scores for performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO. We can see right here that here are some suggestions for improving the time to load, improving the time to make the content interactive, and also some estimated time savings for if you rectify these kind of suggestions that they're making, where you can maybe get some performance back on the website, because a 32 is pretty, we'll put it in the lowest category for this tool's auditing areas. So now that we're at accessibility, we can see that we have an error here. Background and foreground colors do not have sufficient contrast ratio. So for people with visual impairments, low contrast text can be difficult or impossible for users to read. So we see where the failing elements are: the AREF for tutoring sessions, a formal job description, some application slides, LA applications. So it looks like there's quite a few areas where this fails. So let's just go ahead and navigate to one. We see right here that this tutoring sessions link is one of the areas where this is failing its this audit. So we have over here in the elements pane for the Chrome development tools, an area where we can actually change the font color on the site and be able to rectify the mistake that we made. So basically we're going from where we ran the audit, we've identified the mistake, and now we're going to go ahead and rectify it. So if we just go ahead and that's actually not what I meant to do there. We go ahead and make this say entirely black. Maybe we remove the color and it defaults to a blue color that isn't throwing errors in other ways. This is slightly more legible than the than the color that was there before. This kind of well, it's actually blocking all of the colors there. Go ahead and revert that change. Unblock this. Let's go ahead and add back that color just to see kind of the difference. So the initial color was that, again, that gray color. So actually not going to be able to get that one back. But this blue color here is a lot more legible, a lot more readable than the previously mentioned gray coloring. And that's a way you can kind of go through this whole auditing process using a tool like Lighthouse, where you're taking it from, I think there could be a problem within the accessibility of the site. You go ahead and run an audit. You would find whatever issue that was failing, whatever checks that the Lighthouse tool was looking for, and then you can go ahead and see how you could rectify it just simply in the Chrome Dev Tools before you go ahead and commit something to code. So that's just one way you can use the Lighthouse tool to help you in making sure that your site is completely accessible, high performing, and meets a lot of industry standards that you might not be able to tell within just a cursory glance or just poring over the site yourself. Thanks so much.